Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to post ride on POPARIDE. For this, open the POPARIDE application or you can visit the website. Click on post. Click on post a ride. Then enter your region and destination. Then you can add up to 5 stops along your route to increase booking chances. Now specify your departure time. Here you can specify your vehicle type or you can just skip it. Enter the luggage and person capacity. And here you can set a price. Provide any additional details that passengers might find helpful in the description box. Double check all the information you have entered. Once satisfied, click on agree to the rules and post a trip. And here your trip is posted. It's that easy. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and subscribe.